Maintaining a consistent point of view, ensuring coherence in your writing. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most important aspects of clear and coherent writing, maintaining a consistent point of view. If you've ever been confused by a piece of writing that constantly shifts its perspective, you'll know how crucial this is for readers. Firstly, what do we mean by point of view? In writing, the point of view refers to the perspective from which a story is being told. The three primary points of view in English are first person, I, me, my, we, our. It's a personal perspective. Second person, you. This directly addresses the reader or the audience. Third person, he, she, it, they. It's an outsider's perspective. For example, first person, I went to the store. Second person, you went to the store. Third person, she went to the store. Imagine reading a novel where the author starts by describing a character's personal experiences, thoughts, and feelings using the first person. I did this. And suddenly switches to third person. He did that. Confusing, right? Inconsistency in point of view can disorient your readers and make your content seem less reliable and professional. 1. Decide your point of view before writing. Before you even put pen to paper, decide which perspective you're going to write from. It helps you remain consistent throughout. 2. Review your work. Always reread your content. Look for shifts in point of view and correct them. 3. Ask someone else. Sometimes, we might not catch our own mistakes. It's always beneficial to have a second pair of eyes look over your work. 4. Be mindful of pronouns. Pay attention to pronouns. They often give away shifts in point of view. 5. Stick to one point of view per paragraph or section. If you need to shift perspective for a valid reason, make sure to transition smoothly and limit these shifts. Sometimes, for stylistic or narrative reasons, writers intentionally switch points of view. However, this requires skill and a clear understanding of your purpose. If done well, it can be effective. But for most formal writings, like essays or reports, sticking to one point of view is recommended. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through points of view. Remember, maintaining a consistent point of view is key to creating a clear and coherent narrative. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of this editing technique. Keep practicing, and happy writing!